Welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about how you can make up to $1 per minute or $50 to $60 per hour listening to audio record and watching videos. Now the truth is we have over 6 billion people in this world. People engage their time in different things. Now there are so many people who want their interview to be documented, and some people want their audio record. They want you to script out their audio record, write it, then send it to them. So we have companies that where people normally register, they might pay up to $2. Some companies charge up to $3 per minute from these people. Then definitely what you'll be doing is when you listen to this audio, or when you listen to this interview, or when you listen to this their conversation or recording, or you might be watching their videos, then they want you to script out each words. They want you to write out each words. Maybe let's say in a Microsoft Word, okay? Then you now submit it and you get paid. Now for every 1 minute that you type out what you are listening or what you are watching, you get paid up to $1 per minute. That means in 1 hour you might see yourself earning up to $50 or $60, because some companies even pay higher than $1. Now there are some companies also that pay just 60 cents while others pay 50 cents, but majority of them always pay $1. Now I'm going to give you out 4 websites. Four websites we have been using. I remember when I told my friends about this, we all immediately we have to start it because the money they are paying was too high. Imagine earning over $50 per hour. Okay, let us try this. And they actually paid us. Now, one thing you might be thinking about right now is you might be thinking like, okay, how do I get paid? Is it a global company? Will they accept me based on your country? If you are in Nigeria, if you are in India, or if you are in Jamaica? The truth is yes. We have some of these companies are global companies. That means you can work, you can listen to audios, you can watch videos from any part of the country, and you can also receive your payment. Okay, now they normally pay through one paper. Okay, although there are some countries that paper you might not be able to receive payment through paper. Countries like Nigeria and most African countries and Asian countries are yet to be fully accepted by paper. Okay, there's other options you can still use. We have Payona. You can still use Payona. I have a Payona account, of course. When I restarted that was about almost 6-7 years ago. I have my ATM. All you need to do, you can use your local ATM to cash out your money, or you can log into your Payona. Once you receive your payment, transfer the money to your local account. You can also use check. They also send money through check. They also send money through bank transfer. Whatever means that you choose, whatever means you want to use, you can use any of the means that is best for you. Now let's go straight to the point. I'm going to mention 4 websites that is best for you to listen to or audio record or watch videos and get paid up to $1 per minute. Now number 1 is Rev.com. With Rev.com, they are number 1. They pay up to $1 for you to just listen to audios or watch videos. A lot of my friends have already tried Rev, and of course they also paid all of us. And Rev, why I mentioned Rev number 1, because definitely for me, among these 4, Rev.com is number 1. All you need to do is just sign up. Sign up with a valid email address, because definitely they will send you a confirmation link for you to confirm, okay, to want to verify your email. So register with a valid email address, sign up with your full name, okay, the name that will match your payment details. That is it. You are good to go. You will see so many jobs for you to listen and get paid up to $1 per minute. The next one is GoTranscript.com. Yes, GoTranscript.com. They are the second. I also love them because I love their payment. In fact, they are fast in terms of payment. Once you make money and you earn up to the balance they're supposed to get, because they have a certain balance. Some of them, once you get up to $50, so once you get up to $100 before you get paid. Now, GoTranscript is the second I would recommend for you to go. Just go there and sign up with GoTranscript. And the next one is transcriptme.com. Yes, with transcriptme.com, all you need, they're almost doing the same thing with the first 2 that I've actually mentioned. And of course, the last one is transcriptme.com. Okay, Scrippy.com. Sorry, Scrippy.com. Scrippy.com, for me, I put them last because the pay 60 cents per minute, right? They don't pay up to $1, just like Rave, just like Google Transcript or Transcript Me. They actually pay 60 cents per minute for you to listen to audios or watch videos, then transcribe the audios and videos. And I think these four for now, because when the next videos I'll be bringing out others, but I actually picked these four because that is four I have actually tested with my friends who got paid, and I love these four because they are mostly widely used in the world. So please, these are the four websites you can use for now on and start making money listening to audios or listening to videos record. And then all you need to do is transcribe these videos into writing and you get paid. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos. Now please, here we always publish videos on how to make money online. We also talk about cryptocurrency and we always help you. One thing about my channel is that I'm always ready to answer every question. I'm also ready to even chat with you off YouTube or off other social media. We can chat, we can tell you, I can advise, I can follow you up to make sure that you become a success in whatever you are doing in life. Once again, thank you for stopping by.